Now, I'm just going to... I've got some of this fabric. It's like a stretched jersey, but it's really nice. I used the pink the other day for a flower. And I'm going to do the same, I think. I'm just going to try something. Doesn't have to be straight. I'm going to cut it anyway. So let me just see. That's roughly a square. That's roughly a square. So, I don't want a square. I just want a circle. But I'm just going to do this. And then take it from there round like that. I'm just going to try something out. I'm just using plain, well, this is a bit stronger cotton, I think, if I remember rightly. And the thing about this fabric is it does stretch. I'm just going to do that. Pull that in. Like so. So just cut it into like a half moon. Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll do. I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to need at least 6 of these. At least. Now I've got some very large pins, stick pins. They're large headed stick pins, that's what I mean. Oh, that's wrong thread then if it's going to behave like that, Fee. So let's just do this. So I need them about that, don't I? Let me just... 2. Hang on. Cut some more of this. I say they don't have to be perfect. That's 3, 4, 1 there. 5, 6. Okie dokie smoky. I'm not measuring them or anything like that because I don't have to. I'm not after perfection. I'm not after perfection. There we go. At all. That's nothing of what I need. Right, okay, so let's get on with this. So I'm just going to put some glue on here. And we'll have one there. Turn it around and we'll do one there. Turn it around and we'll do one there. And I'm going to do that. And that. And that. So there's another one. So we have to do that. Doesn't have to be perfect. We don't look for perfection. I'm then going to do some lace. And we're going to have this colour. Not sure how much of that I'm going to need. Whoops-a-daisy. Oh, I might use one of them. I'm not sure. Oh, we'll see. Sorry, I've just found something I could use. Right, I need this to be a full flower. Sorry. We do have the long needles in, just for those that have joined us recently. If you suffer with your hands, they are perfect for them. And we have those. They've come in, you know, they are in. I use them a lot. My hands are great today. Touch wood. Touch wood. So I can use a smaller one. Right, now I don't want too much of this, just enough for it to, that'll do, that's fine. It's already gathered. I could have got 2 out of that. I'll use it for another one somewhere else. Go to the end. And then what I do is I take the other end, where I started, put those 2 together, pull that tight, and then sew them together. Like that. And we just stick a little bit of glue on the edge, just to hold that down like that. Spin it round, because what you're doing when you do that is you're leveling this out. You might need to spin it a couple of times. See, like that, and you end up with a flattish flower. I'm just going to put that onto there. Push that into the middle like that. Now I'm just going to get, I'm not sure if this will work with this one. Yeah, one of these. I'm going to take one of those off that I got yesterday. And it is a little bit too big. Like, for me, it's standing out too far. So what I can do, and what I'm going to do, is I cut that. Okay, just cut that bit off. And then I glue that. Like that. And push that down into the centre. Like so. Like that. And we can open those up a little bit. Like that. And that's made a really nice flower. But what I'm going to do, so that's pink and like a pink cream and chocolate. I need to put on our tassel. That goes in with both colours. I'm going to do that one. Yeah, and it's quite long, so it can go underneath here. So I'm just going to, where do I want the, I'm going to do it there, I think, just here, where we joined it. Like that. Take hold of this, push that in there, like that. Now, I need a bit of feather. Do you know what? I'm just gonna, no, wait a minute. I'm gonna remove that a minute, really quickly. Never mind that, doesn't matter. I've got one of these that we took off yesterday. And I'm just going to pop that on first. Like that. And then pop that back on. Oops, make sure it goes in the right place. That's better. That, yes, I like that. Squash that down. And open that up. Yeah, like that better, like that. And you know what? I've also got a cream. So I'm going to put like a beigey colour. So I'm going to actually put both on. Yeah. Right. I'm just going to snip the base of that off. Pop a little bit of glue on it. Let that cool a minute. And then just do that. It just was too long. And then I'm going to glue that in here. Like that. And then this one I'm going to cut down. And don't waste what you cut off, because they make butterfly wings. And I'm just going to put this one like that. And we're going to have that. I'm just going to tuck it down there. Like that. Oh, that's gorgeous. The only thing I don't like is that flower. I'm going to take it off. Sorry, I'm going to take that off. It's now I've put that on, it doesn't look right. So I'm using brush corduroy. Put my needle away. Now, where are my daubers? I might want a bit of water on it. That's enough. Oops. Yeah. Should be enough. And I'm just going over the ends. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Very nice, do like that. I'm just going to close that up a little bit. And what I'm going to do that is put a little bit of glue around the base. And just close it up a touch. Yeah, I like that. A little bit of glue. It just changed the whole look of it. Yeah, that's better. So you can mix colour. Now, let me just see if I've got... I have. That's too much. We don't want one that's too much. Maybe just one of those with... Oops a daisy, that colour and that colour bead. That one. yeah, I've got a pink bead there. Oh, let's do a crystal. Let's find a pink crystal. Because you don't have to have bead caps on them or anything like that. So I've added on like a beigey coloured. And this is a diamante one. And then a cream one again. That is all you need. Like that. That's done. See? You don't really need... And I'm going to pop that in there. Oh, yes. Perfect. That is just gorgeous. That's it. Yes, I love that. That's pretty. Easy as that. Lace material made together. I can see all the scalloped petals and all of everything you can see, and then this is a mixture between the two and it looks really nice. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Experiment. Bye bye for now.